Welcome everyone. The kids of GGF Sunday School are proud to present a play, Who is the Greatest? Our play is set in the last week of Christmas. We are at Rufus and Blessica's home. They are just helping their mom remove the Christmas decoration boxes so that they can decorate their house tomorrow.
Hey, we've got so many boxes of Christmas gifts, don't we?
Yeah, we do. Some of those boxes are really heavy. I can't wait till tomorrow morning to find and decorate the house.
Yay, no school, just play.
Hey, didn't you get your homework? No decoration till homework is over.
Are you my sister or my mother?
Done. The pizza is here. Come soon.
Coming.
Hey everyone, wake up, the kids are finally gone.
I'm so glad that we're finally out of this terrible box.
Achoo!
There's so much dust too.
Hey, let's play a game or something. We've been locked up in these terrible boxes for so long. I just want to stretch.
You just want to walk around and show off your pretty clothes.
No, nothing like that. But I do look pretty, don't I?
Hey guys, I got a super idea. Let's play Who's the Greatest.
What? That's a 2,000-year-old game.
Everyone has to come, walk here and say why am I the greatest. Gabriel, you're the angel, so you're the judge.
Good, because I don't want to play this game at all.
Okay, who's going to begin? You.
All right. Let me start. I am the celebrity.
Hey, you're the star, not the celebrity.
Stars, celebrities, same difference. So I think I should be the greatest. After all, I represent the star that led the wise men all the way from the east to Bethlehem to meet Jesus. Without me, Jesus couldn't have got the cool gifts, the gold, the frankincense, the myrrh. So that's why people put up stars to remind them of me. I mean that actual star. So who else could be greater than me? I'm the star of the show.
Oh, please, Inna. Everyone knows I am the celebrity. You think you are everywhere, star. I am everywhere. People dress up like me. Songs are written about me. Letters are written to me. And no office party is complete without me. I mean, this is the one day in the year that little kids actually go to sleep on time because they think
Santa Claus is coming to town.
I mean, I'm the greatest.
Hold on. People like Christmas because of me. Lights. Lights on the streets, lights in the mall, lights in the balcony. We come in so many different colors. People click those selfies and say, #Best Christmas ever. So I should be the greatest.
Wait. Don't you think you're forgetting the big thing about Christmas?
I think all of you forgotten the big thing about Christmas.
People like Christmas because of gifts. And where do they put the gifts? Inside the stocking. People put me up and the parents stuff the gifts inside me. For example, chocolates, dolls, cars, and even stuffed animals. Even you, Santa. Even you need me.
Me? Huh?
So, I'm the greatest.
But hey, the really good gifts, like the really big gifts, cannot fit in stocking. For that, we need a Christmas tree. Yes, because of us, the tree and all the decorations that go on it, kids run down to check the tree. They put the gift here, then they open it. So we are the greatest.
Okay, who's next? Who's left? Anyone? Hey Manger, you're very quiet. What's up?
Well, I don't know what to say. The manger is smelly and stinky. I mean, there are no perfumes for animals. Imagine. Fog perfumes. Now available for cows, sheep, and donkeys.
Yeah, all you guys have the pretty lights and the nice clothes. We don't. In fact, we were forgotten. Until that weird innkeeper who actually told Joseph and Mary there was no room in the inn. Can you imagine he said that? No room for a woman who was about to have a baby. And because of that, they found us. So, what's the big deal about us?
But don't you get it? But don't you get it? That's the whole point. Who's the greatest? The disciples asked Jesus that question. Jesus Christ was the gift that God gave to the world, not in a stocking or under a tree. But to come to think of it, he was ultimately put on the tree, on the cross. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Christmas is not about who is the greatest, but the greatest gift of all, the gift of salvation, redemption, eternal life, all of it, wrapped in swaddling clothes. So the manger has a great role to play. Don't ever feel bad about being smelly.
But who should win our competition today?
Well, when the disciples asked Jesus that question, Jesus said, "Whoever humbles himself as this little child is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven." Don't bother about who's the greatest. All of us have a role to play, even you, Santa.
Yeah.
We need to point to the real gift of Christmas, not to us, but to Jesus. And well, let Jesus bother about who's the greatest.
Yeah.
Hey kids, I've left the box of books in the room. Can you get it?
Sis, the kids are coming back.
Hey, is something different in this room?
Nah, they are just our decoration, aren't they? Who knows? Good night. Bye. And bye to you too.
Thanks everyone. We hope you enjoyed our Sunday school play. And remember, it doesn't matter who you are and what you do for Christmas. Just point to Jesus. That is the greatest thing any of us can do. Thank you.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi. check. Hello.
Check.
You're all little small.
Very